Hey friends, if the search bar is missing in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. So, any application on Windows has a full screen mode. If you press F11, then it's in full screen mode. So press F11 once again if that is the case, and the search bar will appear again. The other issue will be that an extension could be preventing it. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extension and go to manage extensions. If you find any problematic extension here, then remove it. And if that doesn't work either, then click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, and then go to the reset settings tab, select restore settings to original default and reset that. Finally, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select help and about Google Chrome. It will update your Chrome to the latest version. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.